So you might be in a situation where for some reason your particular Zelle payments are just not working. Now, Zelle is one of the most popular types of applications out there. And the thing with Zelle, and the thing that I really like about Zelle, is that it's a really easy way of sending out payments and getting people paid when you go through and kind of, send them money. But sometimes those payments might not be working. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing if that's not working, if you're using the Zelle application, like how I have the Zelle app right here, you might have to go through and try updating the application and try seeing if that ends up fixing the problem. A lot of the times, things like this, you might just have to go through and just update the Zelle app. So go inside of the App Store, try updating the application, and that could be one of the main things you can try to end up doing here for the most part. It's a much easier thing to do here. Now, if you have it via a partnered bank, right? Let's say you have a bank account that you're connecting to and you're trying to connect it that way, your best bet probably is to go through and you might just want to go through and try seeing if you can kind of repair or reconnect your Zelle account into that bank account. So you might have to contact your bank account or contact your bank in order for them to go ahead and kind of address it and or fix it. Because if it's not actually attached to your particular bank, if it's not attached to your application, it's attached to a bank account, you might have to contact your bank and have them kind of address it and fix it. And maybe they have to rewire or re-put in your information for your Zelle account. That can be another thing you might have to run into as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.